channel. It's me, Lasagna with Miss Handmade Creation, and today I come to you with another unboxing. This is a smaller box from Diamond Art Club, and this is another one of the ones I had on back order that came in, and they shipped out before Black Friday. So I tell you guys, I went a little nutsy on Black Friday. And so there will be a lot of more canvases. Alright. So this one is a small one. This one I have been wanting since I first looked on Diamond Art Club. She was so cute, and she was always out of stock. And I was like, oh my gosh, when are they going to bring this one back? This is a square, you can tell, because it has that blue ribbon and the blue square here. And she is called Sunflower. I have been wanting her. She is a tiny one. I noticed that a lot of the ones I got that were back order were kind of the perfect size to get to. But, you know, I'm working on some right now, and I want to try to finish before I don't want to be kitting up 3 and 4 different... Even though you want to do them, the most I think is two kitted up at one time is enough for me, or my psyche is just going to be crazy. So let's get into these, baby. And I think this is the last one I had on back order. The other ones that are coming in are going to be Black Friday, of course. Let's see. Yep, she's tiny. I love it. Alright. That's that sticker that I'll stick in the little notebook. It's a square, so of course we have the 4-placer, the squishy, the drill pin, these very sharp tweezers, 2 part wax, you can see it there, loads of baggies, and a clear boat. I don't open it anymore, guys. I do that, you know, I did that several times at the beginning of my unboxings. I'm like typical Diamond Art Club boxes, kits. So, all right, look at this little tiny little shoot kit baby. So let's roll her back. Oh, here's the coupon. Fell on the floor. Step-by-step instructions in every canvas, and it also has a coupon code. This one is, oh my gosh, this is so tiny and cute. I can't wait to do this one. And I'm rolling her back. This is poured glue, so you know you can roll her back with no problems. All right, look at that. Look how cute she is. Oh my gosh. Absolutely love her. All right, so let's look at the sticker. This is Sunflower by Erica the Goober. That's a cute name. Erica the Goober. Look how beautiful she is. I absolutely love it. She's a square, 42 by 42. So that's 16.5 inches by 16.5 inches. And she does have ABs. There are only 27 colors. And we got 3 ABs. I love that now. This little bitty canvas, 3 ABs. I'm loving it. Look how cute she is, guys. She can fit on my whole screen. And I love this pink around the edges. Let's open her up and see. Oh, yes. Look how sticky. Yes. Perfect. And you have the schematics on the top left, bottom right as normal. Uh-oh. Plastic just ripped. That's okay. Y'all know I don't keep my... see what's going on here. It's got stuck to the canvas when they cut the little dots around. It's an overhang. Come on, baby. There we go. Y'all can hear it peeling up. Yeah, it was stuck to there when they did that. So I'm just gonna leave it so I can make sure it's all covered up. When I begin to work on her, y'all know I don't keep the clear, so that's quite all right. I just don't want any dust or anything to get on it, so I'll just leave that one like that. We're lifting this one up. Pink. This, yes. And let's look at the drill fill while we're here. Look at that beautiful sunflower. You can see the quality of the drill fill. The letters are clear. They may be upside down, but they're still clear right now. This is a cute little canvas. Let's call this snack size. This is so cute. I wonder how fast I can do this one. But look how pretty. Oh my gosh, she is so beautiful. I saw someone do this one and she turned out beautiful and I wanted it. So finally, oh my gosh, I think she's still available now on the site as of the date that I do this video. So if not, y'all just click on the remind me, well, you know, notify me when she come back into the stock. But she is so cute, guys. This is beautiful. So let's flip over and look at these drills. This little bitty cute little baby size. Look at that. Sunflower AB square. Let's see. I've noticed too on my orders, guys, for Black Friday, I think every canvas I got is square. I'm like, did they do square for Black Friday? Because I was like, I didn't even notice that until I started. Y'all know I put all my canvases on the Gem app. What is it called? Gem something. Let me get to it. It's called Gems Flow. Y'all know I add all that on there. And oh, I'm so tired of these people with this volunteering about voting. They won't stop texting. I know y'all are getting the same one. Alright, so we got a very long train, medium, and a very small one. So we'll start with this one since we know it's all the same color. And I absolutely love this pink. I need to write this one down. Let me write it down because I think I need to get that in AB, guys. And that is number 963. Hopefully she has that 963. This whole train is 4 packs of 963. This is a beautiful pink. I absolutely love this pink. So I'm going to see if I can get that in AB too. Alright, the second train, 602. Y'all know I love pinks. 350, 321, 3371. We got 2 bags of that, and that's a brown. Then we have 2 bags of 814 and 1 of 815. Okay, here we go. I'm like, can I get it together? And then we got the smallest bags, 892, 603. Y'all know this perfect red there. 3801, 947, 900, 606, 890, 989. I love these 2 greens together. That's going to be a pretty shade for the leaves. 743. That's a beautiful yellow. I think that's for the flowers. I'm thinking about finding some ABs for that. 895. Well, first AB. 132. Is that orange? So 132. Yes. 132 orange. Beautiful. 126. Wow, AB right behind each other. This is a lavender. Look at that. 126. That is so beautiful. Look at this sparkle, guys. The next one is the AB. There's a 3 ABs right beside each other. 141. Y'all know we always had that 141, but look at that beautiful shine, guys. OMG. Then we got 740, 742, 987, 986. Yeah, that's going to be great for those leaves. 351, 3348. Oh my gosh. Let's see where the ABs go. I'm absolutely loving this size. This is so cute. I'm probably whip this out in probably 2 weekends. Y'all know I only work on them on the weekend unless it's a long break. Alright, so let's see. The first one is 126. That was that lavender. And that is number 1 here on the canvas. And that is the stripes in her cute blouse here. So all these stripes here on her blouse are the ABs. The lavender ABs. I think that's the only place they have them. Yep. And then the number 2, 132, is that orangey color. It's the number 2 here on the canvas. And it is around the sunflowers. So it's all around there. And this one is showing orange. Yeah. Yeah. It's all around each sunflower. It's not the only color in it. I know y'all could tell that, but it's in there. It's going around. This is so pretty. Oh, made me want to kick this up, but I can't. Got too many going on right now. And then the third one is 141, which is the white. Is number 3, so it is in her shirt. So her shirt here, her blouse, is definitely going to be blinged out with ABs. Because you got the lavender and the white. that's right next to each other. So you have the lines of purple, the lavender, but then you got the white bigger spaces to make our shirt. So that's going to be blinged out. Then you're going to have bling on the flowers, the sunflowers, her teeth. Yes, her teeth are the ABs, her eyes, the white part of her eyes are ABs. That's going to be beautiful. So I don't know if I'll do, I might add some brown or around her glasses. I don't know. We'll have to see, because that is a lot of ABs for this little bitty thing, but it's only right here on her shirt and then the sunflowers and then her eyes and her face. So not her face, but her eyes and her teeth. So I have to see if I want to add a little, sprinkle a little here, sprinkle a little there in her hair and these leaves. We'll have to see how it looks. You can't be putting too much on there, guys, because remember they reflect off the color beside them. And so you don't want to get it looking like mush. So, but she is so cute. I'm so glad I finally got her. She is adorable. Y'all let me know what you think. This is Sunflower again. This is by Erica the Goober. That name is tripping me out. She is a square, 42 by 42 squared centimeters. And she is 27 colors. She is very beautiful. So y'all let me know what you think. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, guys, bye-bye.